afternoon. My name is Alena Shautsova. I'm a New York immigration lawyer dedicated to keeping you informed about the latest developments in the U.S. immigration law. This past week has seen significant news, particularly concerning incoming President Donald Trump's proposed immigration policies. Today, we will dive into these updates, focusing on the implications of mass deportations and the potential impact on families these policies may bring. In a recent interview on NBC's Meet the Press, incoming President Trump reiterated his commitment to deporting all undocumented immigrants residing in the United States.
Prioritizing people who have criminal histories.
Correct.
But is it your plan to deport everyone who is here illegally over the next 4 years?
Well, I think you have to do it. And it's a very tough thing to do.
He emphasized that you have no choice but to enforce such measures, indicating a strict approach to immigration enforcement. A particularly controversial aspect of Trump's plan involves the deportation of families. To avoid separating families during deportation proceedings, Trump suggested that American citizens with undocumented family members might also be deported.
Another group of people, the estimated 4 million families in America who have mixed immigration status. So I'm talking about parents who might be here illegally, but the kids are here legally. Your borders are
You're talking about separation.
Yeah, well, there are two aspects to this. Your borders are, Tom Homan said, they can be deported together.
Correct.
Is that the plan?
Well, that way you keep I don't want to be breaking up families, so the only way you don't break up the family is you keep them together and you have to send them all back.
This approach aims to keep families intact, but raises significant legal and ethical concerns, especially regarding the rights of U.S. citizen family members. Another critical component of Trump's immigration agenda is the termination of birthright citizenship.
Still your plan?
Yeah, absolutely.
The 14th Amendment, though, says that, quote, all persons born in the United States are citizens. Can you get around the 14th Amendment with an executive action?
We're going to have to get a change. We'll maybe have to go back to the people, but we have to end it.
He plans to end this policy through an executive action on his first day in the office, a move that would undoubtedly face legal challenges and require a constitutional amendment. What seems to be good news is that Trump indicated that he will provide status to Dreamers, an interesting promise considering that his first administration filed a lawsuit to end DACA.
About dreamers, sir, dreamers who were brought to this country illegally as children. You said once back in 2017, they, quote, shouldn't be very worried about being deported. Should they be worried now?
The dreamers are going to come later, and we have to do something about the dreamers because these are people that have been brought here at a very young age, and many of these are middle-aged people now. They don't even speak the language of their country, and yes, we're going to do something about the dreamers.
What does that mean? What are you going to do?
I will work with the Democrats on a plan, and if we can come up with a plan, but the Democrats have made it very, very difficult to do anything. Republicans are very open to the dreamers. The dreamers, we're talking many years ago, they were brought into this country. Many years ago. Some of them are no longer young people, and in many cases, they become successful. They have great jobs. In some cases, they have small businesses. Some cases, they might have large businesses. And we're going to have to do something with them. And
you want them to be able to stay. That's what you're saying.
I do. Okay. I want to be able to work something out. And it should have been able to be worked out over the last 3 or 4 years.
These proposed policies have sparked significant debate. Advocates express concern over the potential for increased family separations and the deportation of U.S. citizens alongside undocumented relatives. Legal experts anticipate numerous challenges to the proposed changes, particularly the attempt to end birthright citizenship, which is protected under the 14th Amendment of the United States Constitution. Given these developments, it's crucial for individuals potentially affected to stay informed and seek legal counsel. If you or your family members are concerned about your immigration status, consider consulting with an experienced immigration attorney to understand your rights and options. This landscape of US immigration policy is poised for significant changes under the incoming administration. Staying informed and proactive is essential to navigate these developments successfully and effectively. As always, I'm here to provide guidance and support to those in need. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to stay informed. Don't forget to like and share this news, and I hope to see you soon.